Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Yeah. We are connecting today, and it's great to see every one of you here, right? Yes. We'll start soon. And today we'll start with a very important thing that most of you are asking in your in the DM as well as in the top mate. We are getting these kind of things. So we'll start with that first. So that is that you're not getting calls, right? So most of the people are applying to the jobs. They are applying via Naukri profile, but they are not getting the calls. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you few of the keywords that you have to use in your resume to get the calls. So let me share my screen without wasting much of the time. Before that, can someone please confirm if I'm clearly visible, clearly audible? Hi, Kishore Srinivas. Hi, Ram. How are you? Okay, there is someone who has joined from Motivational ERS. Yeah. Am I clearly visible? Am I clearly audible? Yeah. Great. So many of you are having the issues with the calls. So let me share my screen. Okay. So these are the keywords that you have to use in your resume or in your Naukri profile. So automation test engineer, QA automation engineer, software test engineer, quality assurance engineer, SDET, test automation, automation framework. These are the UI automation related keywords that you should use. These are the keywords that these are ATS friendly keywords. Whenever your resume is going to the recruiter, it is not going directly to the recruiter. There is a software, there is an ATS software between them, which is scanning your resume, your candidature, and if it is giving a green signal, then the recruiter is going ahead and giving you kind of a chance for shortlisting your interview, right? That's what happens. So this keywords will play a very important role. If any one of you want to take a screenshot, please take the screenshot. It's super important. And after adding this keywords, there's UI automation. Okay, the story does not end here. Still, you have to add these further keywords that are related to API. These days, there is lot of demand of API automation, API testing. Again, when I say API automation, API testing using REST assured. Of course, with Postman also, if you can do it is good. But if you can do it using REST assured, so that will be a big plus point for you. So API testing, REST API, REST assured, Postman, HTTP methods, request response validation, JSON parsing, API automation. These are your keywords from the API perspective. Okay. So you have to groom yourself to be able to do both kinds of testing, UI automation as well as API automation. Just UI automation will not assist you. Just API automation will not help you to get the job. So what you have to do is you have to get a grip on both the aspects. It is super important. Okay, both the things, whether it is UI automation or whether it is API automation, both the things are important. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share with you. Okay, and these days people are asking a lot of questions on API testing as well, and two questions which are super important which you will get is what are the HTTP status API status codes that you are aware about. You have to explain them about 200, 201, 401, 4xx series, then 500's internal server error. All of the status codes you have to explain, plus they'll also ask you questions on HTTP methods. So that also you have to be you should be able to cover. So it's very important you should be able to cover both of these particular aspects, right? So it becomes very important that you should be able to answer, because API testing is a must. Even if they will not mention in the job description, still they will ask you one or two questions on API testing. And It might happen if you're not able to answer them, then you might not get shortlisted. I'll tell you a recent experience of one of my subscriber. She went for the interview and she got mix of questions of API as well of manual as well. She had prepared for UI automation testing, right? But she got questions on API as well and UI as well. So anytime you can get questions on UI automation, API automation. So be prepared with both the things. Okay, so that's very important. Many a times we do feel that API automation might not be asked, but people are asking. So we have already got rest assured interview questions and answers. You can prepare that as well and share in the group chat. So that's what you can do. Okay, but still some of people are there who are not getting the calls, right? You might be telling that you're not getting any calls, you're not getting any kind of job opportunity. So feel free to book a call with us. So let me share those details also with you. Okay. If you are looking for the guidance with respect to the resume, with respect to the career, with respect to your you're not getting calls, feel free to book a call with us. We would definitely assist you for the career guidance, because it becomes super important that these days most of the people don't have direction what needs to be done. Okay, so feel free to connect on a top mid call with us. You can book the call and I personally will connect with you. So based on my experience of 15 plus years, I'll guide you, I'll assist you, I'll mentor you what is best for you, that would be taken care, right? So this is about the career guidance. Fine. Uh, okay. Okay. Raja Kumar is telling, I'm a new mom now having career gap of 10 months in testing, unable to get hybrid or remote job. What can I do? So Raja Kumari, I would suggest we can connect on a career guidance call. Will help you with updation of the resume, with few of the mock interviews, because in 10 months there is so much of about playwright, there's so much about AI testing, there's so much about um, DevOps as well, right? So we can discuss one is to one about those particular aspects, and what you need to speak when you are getting a call, and you what you have to tell, what did you do in those 10 months. So we'll discuss about that also. Okay. Mohammed Zahid Sheikh is telling, what are the expectations in the client round for automation testing role? So, expectations for the client role would be that from the client round would be that they will ask you questions with respect to the standards, best practices that you have followed in your automation testing. How did you segregate your automated scripts into smoke test, into regression test? Those kind of things would be asked to you. Okay. Then you will also get questions on what was your contribution to the automation framework, right? So those kind of questions you would get. They might ask you some technical questions about your framework, but not much technical. They'll be more interested in the best practices and the standards that were followed in your company. Okay. Ram is asking, apart from Java, Selenium, and Rest Assured, what other skills uh, or tools should I add to my resume? So if you're good with Java, Selenium, go for Playwright, right? It would be great if you go for Playwright. Okay. As per the current IT market situation, we need to learn more than one program such as JavaScript or Python. See, if you know Java, it is good. If you are looking forward for applying into the automation testing jobs, Selenium with Java is a good combination. If you want to go with more advanced, you can go with Playwright with JavaScript as well. So you can go for the automation testing, this thing, Selenium with Java or Playwright with JavaScript. Yes, Playwright with JavaScript course is there. You can avail that course. Even Selenium with Java course is there on the TopMate itself. You can avail from that. Okay, if you're not able to get the link, just message me. We'll definitely share the links with you. Okay. As a fresher, what are the skills or tools that we need to know to get a job in testing? So, as a fresher, you should know automation testing these days. You should know about agile methodology, right? These days, there's a lot of demand of automation testing. Every company is looking for automation testers. So, if you're a fresher, learn automation testing, learn at least one programming language that would be very useful for you. Okay. Okay, there is a question. I have 4 years of experience. What kind of questions will be asked in Java Selenium? So, can you tell me which company you have interview? Can you tell me in which company you have interview so I can assist you accordingly? Infosys. Okay, okay, Infosys. Great. So Infosys is having a lot of interviews these days. Many of my subscribers have gone for the Infosys interview. I'll share one product with you. From that only you would get the questions. Okay, because I'll tell you one more important thing. You might be surprised, but I'll tell you because that is something that is very super important to tell. Where is the top mate link actually to search that link? Yeah. So this is the product on MNC companies testing interview questions and answers. Okay. So this is for you. Where was it? Comment. Geosport Review Hub. This is for you, this link, right? These are MNC based interview questions and answers that you would get in the companies. And why I'm confident? Because many of the folks who gave the interview, they told that, sir, we got exactly the same questions that were there in your digital product. So I was so happy, right? So these particular questions have I have received from my subscribers who went for the interviews in those companies. I consolidated those particular interview questions and answers. I created answers for them. And now I'm sharing back to you. So it's a kind of a circle based of a community that is working here, right? Uh, okay. Okay. Now, next question is AWS is free 1 year, but asking cost for more data download. Suggest me to use for free of cost for learning. Free of cost for learning, you might not be able to get it. What I would suggest is you can create different accounts for the time being and use it, right? Okay. Do you guide people who are completely new and have just done a few courses in manual and automation but no real time experience? Yes, we do guide them. For them itself, we have created a kind of a mentorship sessions. If you want, you can avail those mentorship sessions also. What we do is we are assisting them with the real time project which they can do and they can showcase in an interview, and using that they would be able to crack the interview soon because that is real time. Okay, so what I'm talking about is this thing. Okay, so this is a real time course that we have created. It's a mentorship, not actually a course. It's a real time project in which we will be doing the automation testing. You would come to know how to create locators, you would come to know how to create ATS friendly resume template. If you don't have real time experience, then which particular link or which particular question can be asked to you and how to answer that question, what not to speak in an interview, what to speak in an interview, mock interviews, resume review, career guidance, everything would be covered here, plus job opportunities as well would be shared with you. So those are the things here that we are trying to do. Okay, so I'll share the link for this particular URL. Let me share this link. Okay. Uh, yeah. So whichever links I'm sending, can one of you please put those links in the chat box as well? in the comments section as well, because I am not able to comment as of now. This is the link for Selenium with Java. Okay. Okay. What is the question from Chinu? Rest assured versus playwright versus Selenium automation. Which one is better and salary growth? See, Selenium with Java is still used in the companies in which you have already done the automation testing, in which the projects are already created on automation. Now they might migrate from Selenium to Playwright, provided if their client approves for the same. Or in the product-based company, if they get that particular time duration, they will do that. Okay. So have focus on both the things, Selenium as well as Playwright. Don't leave any one of thing behind. Okay. And the more knowledge you will have, the more are the chances for you to get a good pay, right? Now, Chinu, your question is which one is better in salary growth? So, if you can see, I'll tell plan A, plan B. But what if you have both the things, A plus B? So, it would be plus plus for you. Okay, it will be 2x for you automatically. So, don't think Selenium or Playwright. Tools will come and go in the market. But now in the market, there is a lot of boom of automation testing, which can be done using two tools, Selenium and Playwright. So, get a grip on that. Who is stopping you for that? Okay. Okay, Ram question is telling my client contract at HCL ended suddenly and I'm on the bench. My capability manager suggests looking outside. Also, should I wait for an internal project or actively search externally? Actively search externally, Ram, right? What makes you wait in the current company? And you would have seen some red flags before your capability manager is suggesting you to look outside. Why were those red flags ignored by you? Okay. And then if you ignore, then it becomes a high time. For example, you play a cricket match, you have a target of 20 overs, till 10 overs, till 12 overs, you don't go for a big hits, and then last 8 hours, eight overs, you will have to buckle up, right? You'll have to increase your speed, right? That becomes overwhelming for you. So don't jeopardize the situation. Don't complicate the situation. Whenever you see red flags coming up, start applying for jobs. Who is stopping you? Connect with us. What needs to be done? Connect with us, right? Book a call with us. Who is stopping you to connect with me, right? I am having so much of years of experience. I'm connecting daily with so many of candidates. I'm connecting with people who are having gap, people who are not having gap, people who want to switch from non-IT to IT. So feel free to connect. Okay. Okay. Pramod is asking, hi sir, I have 2.5 years of experience on automation testing using Java Selenium. Since 5 months, we started using Excel IQ tool. Codeless automation, is it good to go with these tools? No, it's a big no. No, Pramod, right? Don't go for these tools. This will just it's just a wastage of time actually. If you see from your career perspective, you are not getting the growth when you're using this codeless automation tools, because everywhere in the market they are going to use code based automation tools, which are Playwright, Selenium, Rest Assured. So already your 5 months are wasted. Sorry if it hurts you, but it is the harsh truth. Okay. Mm, Sai Prasant, sir, I have 3 years of experience in automation testing. Now I have 1.5 years of gap. How can I re-enter into IT? So, recent experience, I'll tell you. Recent experience, okay, and I'm going to cover the success story also in some more days. Okay, before that, please hit on the like button. Okay, and share this YouTube link with your groups, with your networks, in your Telegram messages. Share, right? The more you will share, the more people would come to know about this thing. It's a free of thing, right? It's a free of cost thing. Am I charging you to be here? Am I charging you for giving the answers? No, right? But in return, what I'm requesting you is to subscribe the channel, share this channel's link in your network, right? So that the channel gets boost, right? Channel reaches to the maximum people. There are so many people who are looking for the job opportunities. Okay, fine. So let's go ahead with the next question. We were discussing about Sai Prasant question. Sir, I had 3 years of experience in automation testing at MNC. Now I have 1.5 years of gap. Can I re-enter into the IT? Yes, you can re-enter. There is no doubt about that. But this question of 1.5 year gap. So with this gap, it is difficult to enter into the IT-based companies like Infosys, Accenture, Java, right? However, you can try into the startup-based companies or small-scale companies, right? So that's what you can do. Okay. Ram is telling with 9+ years of experience and limited interest in coding, is a technical program manager role a good option? Is coding mandatory and what? See, coding is mandatory these days. If you are looking to make your career in the field of testing, coding is required. Okay. So learn coding. One of the programming language you have to learn. Okay. Okay. What we will do is we will start coding things in our YouTube channel. Okay, which you tell me. I'm creating a poll. Which coding language you would like to learn? Okay, which coding language you would like to learn? So the first is you would like to learn TypeScript. Next is JavaScript. Okay. Next is Java. Okay, and next is Python. So please answer this poll and it starts now. For next 15 minutes, please answer this poll. Okay, take out just 1 second. Let me know which coding language you would like to learn, and I will start teaching that particular programming language, and we'll have some schedule to post the content related to that particular language in the YouTube channel itself. Okay. TypeScript is good if you want to go for Playwright. TypeScript and JavaScript is good. If you want to go for Selenium, Java is good. Even Playwright with Java is also possible, right? There are so many things. So please do answer. We would be happy to assist you. Okay. Okay. Fine. What is next then? With 1.5 years of experience, I hope Prashant, I was able to answer. At least hit the like button so I can come to know that whether the answer is has reached to you, right? Okay, knowledge 123 R7H is telling recently completed course of software testing with Java, and they told they will give interview call, but now they are saying to add 2 year of fake experience due to gap. So how many years of gap you have? Knowledge 123. Can you tell me more about that? Right. Elaborate your query so that I can get some background around it, and I can assist you in a correct direction. Hmm? Ronak Agnihotri is asking, hello sir, is it correct goal to prepare from product base even after 10 years of automation? If yes, is this possible and how much? So, Ronak, uh, prepare from product base. What is product base, Ronak? Ronak Agnihotri, can you elaborate your question a bit? Okay, Mayank is telling worked in CGI, Capgemini as a QA and got the opportunity in the next MNC as well. But I'm thinking to switch to roles like BA. What will be max? If you want to become a BA, then you'll have to get some experience as a BA first, right? Directly in India, from QA, you cannot get a BA job. Hmm? You can get from QA, you can get QA lead. From QA lead, you can get QA manager. From QA manager, you can shift to technical project manager, program manager. Those kind of things can happen. But BA is altogether different thing. For BA, you will have to do some certifications as well. For example, even for project management, you'll have to do PMP certification. So next steps I would suggest is do some certification in PMP that would assist you. But then again, getting the salary of QA for the BA role would be difficult, right? Okay, I'm not able to see few more questions. Okay, okay, refresh is happening. Okay, next question is, I have experience in Selenium, Java, REST Assured API, JMeter, GenAI, SQL, Jira, Playwright. Other than that, suggest me to learn new things. Learn DevOps, learn Jenkins, right? Atul Singh, I got my job based on experience that was not entirely accurate. Should I continue with the same experience details in my current company or would that be risky? So, what kind of job you have got and what kind of experience you're telling that you want to showcase? Can you elaborate a bit more? Atul, Atul Singh 9266. Okay, Ronak has coming. Is it possible to crack product-based company after 10 years of manual domain testing and only two? Yes, yes, it is possible. It might take 6 to 8 months for you. Recently itself, on a person who was a data analyst in TCS, he got a job in US as a data scientist with 6 years of experience. Okay, so that transition is possible. It is just up to you. Okay, yeah, Atul Singh is telling manual and automation testing is, yeah, with that experience, you can continue your job and parallelly look for other jobs. But Atul Singh, as far as I know, I have seen some comments from your side on LinkedIn as well. So if you are the same Atul Singh who is looking for a new job, I would suggest hunt for the new job, parallelly do this job, because if you won't have job, then the gap period would increase. Okay, Atul. सागर क्यूए डायरेक्टर तक जाना है क्या करूं स्किल्स में मैनुअल टेस्टर you know manual testing sagar it's good you know API testing it's good you know performance testing it is good learn Gen AI learn automation testing as well that would help you a lot sagar right okay what else okay I am seeing poll with 35 votes, 36 votes. Java has been given by Java is a language that you would like to learn for 44%. So is it okay if I upload Java based programming interview questions and answers? Would that be fine for you? So let's end this poll. Okay. Java, we got 45%, almost 50%. Let's now ask in Java, you would like to learn. First option is programming, coding, interview, questions asked. Okay, in poll we cannot interview questions. Okay, I'm not able to write question Q&A. I'll write. Okay, or Java basics, or you want Java mock interviews. Mock interview. Okay, so this is your second poll. What you are looking forward to learn in Java? Is it the programming, coding interview questions and answers? Is it the mock interviews in Java you are looking for? Is it from the basics like data types? Oh my God, it will give me a very good sleep if I start teaching data types all over things again. I'm covering those things in the batches, but on YouTube, there's nobody to see. YouTube, how do I record? See, this is a room, right? This is the room. It's a very closed room, and I have this chair, and I'm covering the things over there. So I don't know how people will be understanding. So it becomes difficult to cover these things, right? But still, we'll try. If you want to learn from basics, so Java basics is also there. If you are looking for just programming coding, then that is also there. Okay. Sagar is telling, okay, sir, automation, Selenium, Java. Um, See, you don't have to learn like developer, but you have to learn like an asset automation tester. And after that, you do some PMP certification. So that would give you a big boost. Akhil Nandu is telling, can you please tell me what is present job market? I'm having 2 years of experience in manual and Selenium. Present job market is good compared to the earlier recession time. It is good. You can get calls, you can get jobs. In the beginning of the video itself, I told you about the ATS friendly. resume keywords that you have to use in your resume to get more and more calls. 3.5 years in a metro city. If you know automation, then 15 LPA. If you know just manual testing, then it would be somewhere around 8 to 10 LPA, or maybe less than that as well. Okay. Okay. How is the present job market? Already answered. Please hit on the like button. It's been 30 minutes in continuously having these conversations. Please hit the like button so that it becomes easier for us to mot- I'll get motivated for that for sure. Okay. Okay. Automation testing question answer. Someone is looking for real time project. Okay, this is the real time project link. Okay, this will be very much useful to you. Real time project plus if you are looking for career guidance, then this is the link. Even looking for career guidance, so this is the link. Okay. Sagar is telling which domain I have to learn for salary boost. Go for financial domain, banking domain, investment banking domain, capital market. All of these things will give you a lot of boost. Sure, sure. Live automation ABI project will cover that as well. Okay. Akhil Nandu, which is best in 2026 and 27? Playwright and Selenium. See, both the things are good. Okay, it is both the things are good. It also depends on company to company which skill set that they are looking for. So I would suggest prepare both the things, Selenium as well as Playwright. You should get the job as soon as possible in the first 3 months of this year. Later on, it would be again difficult. So get a job in this 3 months itself. Okay. When I say get a job, do everything that you can do possible that is possible for you, because then again, see, future cannot be predicted, but today, present, you are seeing situation is good. Get the job. If you are looking for a switch, get the switch. If you are looking to transit from non-IT to IT, do the needful. Take the steps now. Okay, you have to take the action now, right? Don't postpone these things. That yes, after 15 days we'll do it. Let cricket World Cup get over, then we'll start the preparation. No, cricketers are making good amount of money. Everyone who is there, they are making good amount of money. You have to think for yourself. You have to take the initiative for your career. You don't know automation testing, learn that. You don't have hands-on experience on real-time project, get it done now. You're not getting calls, connect with us. What is stopping you from getting the calls? Why you're not getting the calls? I already showed you the keywords. I told you the best timings for getting the calls. That is morning itself. Still, if you're not getting the calls, what I would suggest is, let's say my name is Rakesh Chawla. Okay. In the Naukri.com, you add Rakesh Chawla immediate joiner. That's it. Make the things happen. In salary, you keep zero over there. Okay. So that's what you need to do. From AI perspective, learn Microsoft GitHub Copilot. How to send the prompt to ChatGPT or GitHub Copilot and use it for your automation purpose. That's what you have to do, right? So these all things are very important. Fine, and you should take the initiative to upgrade yourself. If you don't upgrade, then it will be very difficult to get a job. Competition is cutthroat these days, right? That is why feel free to approach me, feel free to book a call on TopMate. Those 30 minutes I'll be connecting with you only. We'll have dedicated 30 minutes. I'll understand your situation, I'll understand your problem statement, and then I'll be able to assist you as well. Should I practice manual automation testing parallelly or stick to? Yes, you should parallelly do both the things. Yes, domain knowledge will help you. It will boost salary for you, right? Okay. Big World is telling, sir, I have cleared all the round. Also, I received selection email from the HR, and also salary discussion before 10 days ago is done, but not offer letter is received. Okay. She said approval is pending. So they might be getting this approval from the management, which is what is pending in your case as well. So don't worry, you will, if 10 days have happened, so last time you can approach them, last time you can request them. If still they are not giving you the proper answer, move on from that company, move on from that job opportunity, because there are so many things that happen within the companies. First is, uh, the approvals are taken from the management perspective, that whether the client will approve their billing part or not. So if those kind of approvals are not there, then don't join this company. Second thing is, when they started this recruitment process, that they need to hire you or a candidate with your experience level, at that time itself they should have prerequisite, this discussion should be taken care, that whether management will approve this thing or not. Once you get the approval, then you go and call the candidates, rather than going other way around here, right? What is happening with you in your cases, they took the interview, they shortlisted you, they shared the offer letter, now they are again following up with the management team. So you asked them last time, if still you are not getting the answer, move on from there, move on. Okay, Sagar, yeah, thank you so much, but I'm not God. You people have to put down the efforts, and it is all because of your love and support. The YouTube channel has reached to 2 lakh plus subscribers, right? It's a great thing. Okay. Ronak is telling, sir, what is the difference between senior automation test engineer and SDET and test architect? See, SDET, when I say SDET, they are fully into the coding. So they can get some task of coding as well, of programming as well. Okay, similar to kind of a developer. While your senior automation tester is a proper pure QA only. Okay, Chandrasekhar is telling, hi sir, good afternoon. I have experience in manual testing. Uh, I'm planning to enhance my career, but can I go for automation or DevOps? So go for automation. Okay, learn automation from the scratch. If you get stuck anywhere, feel free to connect with us, and we will also share the link of the real-time project with you that you can use for your preparation. Okay, can avail this course, or if you want, we can also reduce the course amount. It's okay, no strings attached. Let us know what works for you. Simple. Okay. Chandrasekhar, go for automation, and here is the link for the same. Okay, fine. Just give me a second. Yeah, since I have been talking a lot, I need to have some water. It's been 40 minutes. This live session is going on. Okay. Puneet, I'm having total 4 years of experience in ETL testing. Now I'm confusion. What should I learn? Puneet, go for automation testing, right? That would help you to shape up your career. That would really help you a lot. Go for automation testing without having any second thought. Okay, what else? Next question, please. Okay, no question. That's it. Great. We're done with 40 minutes. Okay, the question is how to write test scenario and test cases for any website and application. So, if you want to write test scenarios and test cases, go with the step by step approach. First, come up with the positive test cases, then negative test cases. Then, with respect to the types of testing, functional testing, regression testing, retesting, uh, you have performance testing scenarios, right? Then you have after performance, you have this API testing scenarios. Okay, go from testing to testing perspective. You'll get many scenarios. Okay, always have a target of having at least 20 to 25 test scenarios for the functionality. Okay, functionality, if it is more big, then maybe some more test scenarios, but functional scenarios should be there. Again, UI UX test scenarios also you can write, but focus on functional and non-functional more, right? So this was the question. Shubham, what to choose, Selenium or Playwright? So I already told you, go for Selenium and as well as go for Playwright, because these days in the market you'll see multiple job opportunities with automation testing, right? And then you should not, it should not happen that you don't know the tool, so you're not able to apply to that job opportunity. That job opportunity is getting cancelled, is getting reduced from your particular application. So it is minus one, minus one, minus one. Let's say if five jobs you are not able to apply, okay, then you are, let's say five job opportunities gets reduced, five times minus one means, okay. Playwright with Java or JavaScript, go for JavaScript or go for TypeScript. Okay, Playwright with Java is not that much used. Okay, go for JavaScript or TypeScript. Chandrasekhar, it is up to you. If you have knowledge of Java, learn Selenium, that would be quick for you. If you want to go for scratch, learn then JavaScript and then Playwright. All right, okay. Yeah. Okay, 12 likes. So in the entire session, only 12 likes. So please hit the like button, right? Please hit the like button. It just takes one like for you. Okay. Sai Prasan, don't worry about the package as of now. Try to get a job with same package of 4 LPA, right? Then you can proceed ahead with the less kind, with the more kind of amount. But first get a job, because since 1.5 years you have not been working. So try to get a job opportunity first. Yes, next to 3 to 4 years, testing will be important. Web automation, rest assured, it would be important. Okay, and it would give you a lot of calls as well. So it is going to be in demand for the upcoming time as well. Hi Amit Kumar, thank you for joining in. Okay, anyone has got any job opportunity, so please share your contact details at rdautomationlearning@gmail.com. We would be happy to connect with you and discuss on your success story, right? Because many of the people are getting job, so it would be good if they can tell what other questions can be asked, or what kind of preparation or strategy we should have. Okay, Lakshmi is there. She's telling, can you please create a video on how we can get it done on live with an example from starting off creating test plan, test cases like that. Okay, let me note this down. I want to practice mock interviews. How should I connect? Okay. So how many mock interviews you are looking for, Sachin? If you're looking for multiple, then I can tell you the plan accordingly. If you're looking for single mock interview, that also I'll tell you. If you're looking for some mentorship, so this is the link. I'm sharing this link in the chat. This is for mentorship. Any mentorship you're looking, not able to write the programs, not able to recall the code, not able to recall the questions, answers, right? And this is for mock interview. Whichever, Sachin, works for you, please feel free to book. Ankit is telling I have 1.6 years of experience in Deloitte. As an automation, Java plus manual and Salesforce in Deloitte, is it easy to switch abroad with this experience? Yeah, yeah, you can switch to abroad. It's a good opportunities are there in abroad as well. Amit Kumar is telling how much I should ask with 8 years experience. The area experience you are getting just 9.4. It's very less. If you are in metro city and if you know automation, you should be earning somewhere around 20 22 to 25 lp. Okay, 9 lp is very less. Maybe something you have done in your career. I don't know what, but something you have done. That's why your salary is very less, or else you would not have switched from the companies. You would have worked in the same company for 5 6 years, right? So it might happen. Yes, Chandrasekhar, Playwright with JavaScript courses available. You can get it from the top mate. If any one of you is not able to see the Playwright with JavaScript course, just email us here. Okay. What I will do is, if you're not able to see the course, let me check with the top mate team. At least what I can do is I can start creating that course on daily basis. I'll upload some of the videos, some of the things, content. You can have a visit at that, right? If it is not, maybe my team is there. Maybe if they have not uploaded, can someone just confirm if on the top mate are you able to see the Playwright with JavaScript course or not on the top meet on our profile RD Automation Learning. If it is not there, I'll create one for you, and I'll start uploading the content on daily basis. Okay. There was down track change. What is down track change? Motivational ERS unable to handle client during call and meeting. It would just cost you 199. How? I'll tell you. Purchase Netflix, watch English movies, series in that for the sake of learning English. Okay. Read English newspapers, Times of India, Hindustan Times, Economic Times. That would help you a lot, right? So, Ritesh is asking how much call frequency in Pune for QA automation role. Lot many call frequencies are there. One of my subscriber is there who last working date is on 15th of January. He has given nearly 8 to 10 interviews, right? So calls are coming. Vijay, what is your question? Sorry, Gunavardhane, as of now, you don't have course on Python automation. Vijay, what is your question? I have career from BTech 20 to 2024. I have done MTech. Shall I? Yes, yes, Vijay, definitely go for automation. It's good if you have done masters, right? Go for automation for sure. Amit Kumar, go for Selenium Java plus parallelly go learn Playwright JavaScript as well. You can get those courses on the top page itself from RD Automation Learning, right? Asha, I have 3 plus years of experience and now I have gap of 3 months. Learn Playwright with JavaScript. Asha, this recent experience I tell you, there is a subscriber, one of our subscriber from Indore location. She was trying to get a job since 9 months. She had this gap, 9 10 months, and now she has got a remote QA job. Yes, you heard it right. Work from home QA job opportunity, right? So, what did she do? She upgraded herself in the automation testing. You can go for Selenium with Java, go for Playwright with JavaScript. I would suggest go for Playwright with JavaScript. It would be better for you, Asha, right? Go for that. Okay. Am I clearly visible? Yeah. Asha, you can get Playwright with JavaScript course as well from the top page itself. You can avail it. It would be very much useful for you. Yeah. Okay. Vijay. Yes, Vijay, I answered your question. You can get the calls for the automation testing, right? Gap is there, but you have done MTech, no? So not an issue at all, Vijay, right? You have continuously done the graduation and then post graduation, so it is good only. Okay, fine. 50 minutes done. What else? Last one question or two question, and then let's wrap it up. Or do you need more live session? Do you want this session to be continuing? If you want me to extend it, reply yes. If you want, we are good. We can go ahead with the next time. Okay, Chandrasekhar, it is not available. Okay, it's not available. Okay, okay. So give me 24 hours of time. I'll start creating that course and I'll update it so that you can avail that particular course. Don't worry. Within some time, you'll have Playwright with JavaScript course also available. Not an issue at all. Okay, fine. Okay, will extend. Fine. Okay. How to overcome generative AI along with Rain? So Gen AI is very good. You can start using agents. You can use MCP in Playwright. You can use Microsoft GitHub Copilot for code review. Prasad, right? That's where um, it would be useful. Okay. Asha is telling, can you please share live project for Playwright Java? See, Asha, Playwright Java is a bit, I won't say that is as per the market standards. With respect to the market, you should go for Selenium with Java or Playwright with JavaScript. Okay. Go for Playwright with Java is not a good combination. Okay. Playwright is good. Selenium is also good. If you have already done the automation using Selenium Java, then you have to maintain those scripts using Selenium Java. These days, companies are migrating from Selenium to Playwright as well. Playwright is better compared to Selenium. Okay, in a way that you have self weights available, so that is very good. Okay, so Asha, try to go for Playwright with JavaScript. Okay. The best job searching platform, is it Naukri or is it LinkedIn? See, Naukri is there, LinkedIn is there, Insta Hire is there, wellfound.com is there. These four portals are good to get the jobs, right? You can get a lot of job opportunities into these particular things, right? How to build logical building as I'm from non-technical. So Shubham, avail the course of Selenium Java. In that we have taken care of the logical building because Java itself is a vast topic, and in that we have taken care of that, right? So don't worry about anything else. Okay, the poll is also ending. Programming, coding. You want me to cover programming, coding, interview questions and answers? Okay, okay, we'll cover that. 75% only, right? In its program. Great, great. Fine. Okay, one more poll. People are telling that there are some memes they are able to see sometimes. Do you enjoy memes shorts? So we don't want that people should take a lot of stress and then they should go ahead with their career. So what we are doing is we are um, uploading memes, short videos, and if you enjoy them, you can continue. It will be continued only. You can click on yes. If you don't enjoy, you can click on no. What I feel is there should be kind of um, for the viewers, for the subscribers, they should get a good kind of content and the variety of the content, right? That's what we're looking. Okay, Amit Kumar, sir, take my question. Okay, Amit Kumar, I have 13 years of total experience, where 5 years as data analyst and 8 years as QA. What amount should I ask? So if you just tell from the 8 years experience, and if you have QA experience in automation, with respect to that itself, it is 24 LPA, 20 to 24 LPA. With data analyst also experience you have, but if it is not, data analyst is completely non-technical, so 20 to 25 LPA. But in data analyst, if you can tell that you can you had some mix 50% of work in QA also, then your package can increase from 25 to 30 LPA as well, right? Shubham is telling, thank you, Amit sir, for whatever you are doing for us. Yeah, my name is Rakesh. It's not Amit. Right? It's Rakesh. And see, it's not, you should not thank me. You should thank God that with the help of God, with the grace of God, this channel was created. And with support of yours, every one of you, right? There is so much of support, there is so much of love, there is so much of uh, gratitude that you people are showing. This channel has reached 2 lakh plus subscribers. I still remember my first day when I was trying to get the 100th subscriber, right? 100, 99 after 100. So it was very difficult, right? Vinod, I have 4.5 years of experience. Please let me know how much we can expect when I can jump. So, Vinod, if you have got the appraisal, if you've got the bonus, then go for the switch, because every company is having variable kind of a salary. The more time you will stay after getting the appreciation, the more variable salary you will have to lose later, right? So go for the jump. Umesh, how should I approach the REST API with Spring Boot framework? So Spring Boot framework related things are, I'm sure you can take some assistance from the development team itself that is there in your companies, right? Because they are aware about Spring Boot things, right? Okay, fine. So it's been 57 minutes. We have been talking. So let's end this session, because I have to take some rest as well, right? Thank you so much for connecting today. And feel free to put in the comments anything you need from the assistance perspective. Feel free to put, right? Thank you so much for connecting with us today. And would connect again on next Sunday itself, and we'll have the discussion with you, right? Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the like button. And I'm so happy to connect with you, right? I hope that in the future time also we'll be able to connect multiple times. Okay, yeah, thank you.